Meet the mimic octopus, one of the most incredible shapeshifters in the animal kingdom. Found in the warm waters of Southeast Asia, this clever octopus can imitate the appearance and movements of up to 15 different marine animals, including lionfish, flatfish, and even sea snakes. It doesn't just change its color like most octopuses. This one changes its shape and behavior to fool predators into thinking it's something much scarier or less appetizing. Imagine seeing an octopus suddenly flatten its body to look like a poisonous flatfish or stretch out its arms to mimic the long, slender shape of a sea snake. It's like the ocean's very own quick change artist.